Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in this series, that is supernode analysis. So here supernode analysis will be done. In previous lecture we have done super mesh analysis. That will be happen when the current source is present between the two voltage source. Okay, now here the current voltage source is present. Now apply this is our generalized circuit diagram. R1, R2, R3 is present and the node is VA and VB, the potential difference of two nodes, and I1, I2, and the current direction is this I1, I2, IV current direction for this voltage source, and the I4 and I5, because this is current source, so I5 is there, only I current is flowing, we can say I5 is I. Now apply KCL at node 1. ओके, हमने क्या किया, एक KCL पे नोड अप्लाई किया. दैट विल बी 0 माइनस VA अपॉन R1 इक्वल टू इनकमिंग करंट इक्वल टू आउटगोइंग करंट. दैट विल बी VA माइनस 0 अपॉन R2 प्लस दैट इज IB. ओके, नाउ for rearranging this, IV equal to minus VA upon R1 minus plus, sorry, that will be VA. Yes, okay, that will be VA minus R1 and minus VA upon R2. Okay, so this is your equation 1. Now applying KCL at node 2. KCL at node 2 at this. So here incoming current equal to outgoing current. So incoming current is IV. Okay, IV, and this current is I5 is equal to I, because this is current direction. So IV plus I equal to VB upon R3. Okay, so here IV equal to VB upon R3 minus I. That is your equation 2. Okay, now equating equation 1. Equation 1 equal to equation 2, equating. So here IV in both the direction, so we can write here IV is getting cancelled. So here minus VA upon R1 minus VA upon R2 equal to VB upon R3 minus I. Okay, now here VA 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 minus VB upon R3 equal to I. If we are taking minus sign here, we can write like this, and then minus cancel, then VA 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 minus VB upon R3 equal to I. This will be your equation 3. Okay, now potential difference plus minus. You can check potential difference between VA and VB. Okay, VA and VB. Potential difference between A and B, that will be VA minus VB equal to V, because this is going to here direction. So VA equal to VA minus VB. So V equal to VA minus VB. That will be equation 4. Okay, now equation 3 and 4. From equation 3 and equation 4, this equation and this equation, by solving this we can find any branch current and current. Okay, now we have to apply the KCL in supernode. Okay, supernode is a combination of two node. It is a combination of two node with different potentials. Okay, supernode is a combination of two nodes, with different potential, Supernode is a combination of two nodes with different potential. Okay, now for different potential, there is a two node. If we short circuit this and we find this circuit, so we will be doing the supernode. So here I am redrawing like this, and like this. VA, VB, and this is I, this is R3, this is R2, and this is R. So supernode is this node, combination of two node with different potential. That is your supernode. For this potential at supernode, we are applying KCL. That will be 0 minus VA upon R1 plus I equal to VA minus 0 upon R2 plus VB upon R3 minus 0. Okay, at this condition you can find VA 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus VB upon R3 equals to I. This is equation 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equation number 5. So you can check equation number 5 and equation number 3 are same. So supernode is the combination of two nodes with different potentials. So if we want to find the supernode, so we have to find the voltage when the voltage source is there between the two nodes. We can short circuit that with the different potential. Okay, then we can solve this question. Okay, अगर हमारे किसी भी इन दो नोड के बीच में कोई वोल्टेज सोर्स है, सिंपल एक वोल्टेज सोर्स है, तो उसको हटा सकते हैं और दोनों वोल्टेज को डिफरेंट पोटेंशियल पे रख के हम डायरेक्ट वैल्यू को निकाल सकते हैं. द वोल्टेज वैल्यू विल नॉट बी चेंज. सो दिस इज योर सुपरनोड एनालिसिस. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग दिस सेशन, प्लीज कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. आई विल एक्सप्लेन ऑल योर क्वेरीज. Thank you. Good day and take care. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.